have two little baby barn owls. Are you hungry? The little one seems to be hungry. The big one not so much. Yeah. That harsh rasping call is a begging call. Are you sure you're not hungry? So you're just going to drop that, are you? Sometimes they can be quite fussy. They're having a mix of foods. They're having chopped up mouse, a little bit of chicken, a little bit of beef steak. You are being a messer, aren't you? Yes, you are, you're a messer. Come on. And there we go. A little chicken drumstick. A little bit of beef. And a bit of mouse. There's quite a bit of grizzling going on here, but not a lot of eating. Are we getting full now, are we? Let's have a little look at our tummies. Oh yes. Barn owls lack crops, so food goes straight through to the proventriculus, and in the baby bird you can actually feel the tummy, and this little tummy is full of food. So we'll leave our babies to go back to their naps, and we'll wake them up for another feed later. Good night, kids.